beginnings. Penguin colonies are so vast they can be seen from space. While the chicks of most penguin species mature over just one spring, king penguin chicks take over a year. This is their story. King penguins spend most of their lives at sea, but when winter ends, they come to land to prepare for the breeding season. They molt, shedding all their old feathers. Without their waterproof plumage, they are unable to hunt in the ocean, so they fast for a month. When their new feathers have grown out, they return to the ocean, hunting and eating as much as they can to fatten up. After about 2 weeks, it is time for them to find a mate. The penguins forge bonds through courtship displays and pair up to start a new family. Just one egg is laid. There is no nest. The parents take turns to keep the egg warm in a blue pouch above their feet. Summer is here. While newly hatched chicks keep the parents busy with their calls for food, the chicks from the previous year are only now shedding their brown down feathers. It has taken them 14 to 16 months to mature. Soon they will leave the colony, returning in a few years' time to start their own families. As autumn approaches, chicks are about a month old enough to be left in a group called a creche. Meanwhile, both parents head to the ocean to hunt as food becomes more scarce. There is safety in numbers, though some predators are undeterred. Winter is the harshest season of all. As food gets harder to find, both parents remain at sea to hunt. They return to the colony fewer than 5 times over the next few months to feed the chicks. Some parents do not make it back at all, and some chicks do not make it to spring. Though these magnificent birds live in places so remote from us, their future is intimately tied to the decisions we make. Climate change, driven by human activity, is pushing the penguins' key fishing grounds farther and farther away from the colonies. This makes it more difficult for penguins to find food for their chicks. If the rate of warming continues, over half of the total king penguin population could be lost by the end of the century. The arrival of spring brings hope and new beginnings.